was saying, I'm going to cause you to prosper. I'm going to favor you. I'm going to evoke within you and about you and for you successful outcomes. So that no matter what you do, no matter what happens to you or with you, it will turn out for your good.
For a reason, I am blessed to be a blessing. Harvest comes in any season. No, God's grace is sufficient. I'm getting you get a shift too. No limit to what I can do. In whatever I'm a part of, I'll take it to the next level. God's word is where I place my trust. Like gold, I lay up gold as dust. This means I'm living in abundance. This is what God says. This is my conscience. I've got that divine favor. I'm a game changer. Through the rough storm, I'm a smooth sailor. Whatever the case, I will never waver. The soul of the earth, I bring the flavor because